Hi, my friends. So Miss Weaver became super famous because YouTube sent me an email saying that I can't use their videos the way I was using them. So I'm going to do a separate one, and then you need to promise me you're going to use your fingers just the way I am to count in the video on the next slide. Promise? Pinky promise? Okay. Ready? We're going to count by twos using our fingers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Good job. Do it with me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now remember, when you go into the teens, it just repeats, and you are showing with your fingers the number in the ones place. So let's start again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And we're going to repeat it again. 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. All right, promise me in the video you're going to do this. Promise, promise.